guys, how you guys doing today? I hope everyone doing good. Today I'm going to making fruit cocktail, guys. This is all the fruit I'm going to use. I'm going to use one mango. I cut it pieces already, guys. I'm going to put it in the container. And half honeydew. I cut it pieces already, guys. I'm going to put it with the mango. And half watermelon. I cut it pieces too. I'm going to put it together. And I use one dragon fruit. I cut it pieces already, guys. I'm going to put it with all the fruit. Right now I'm going to use 33.8 ounces coconut water. I'm going to put it all of them on the fruit. Now I'm going to add 7 tablespoons sweet melon syrup. I put it all of them on the fruit. And I'm going to add sweet condensed milk. And if you guys like sweet, it's up to you guys. You can put it whatever you like, okay? And mix it well first. And I'm going to add some ice on the fruit. I'm going to put it all of them. I'm going to mix it a little bit. Okay, all done, guys. This is fresh fruit cocktail, guys. I use all fresh fruit and it is very healthy. Very perfect sweet, guys. It tastes really good. And thank you so much, guys, for watching. And please don't forget to support my channel, okay? I'm going to post a new recipe every Friday. Thank you, guys, and have a great weekend. Bye, guys.